Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. Here we are in Chicago, Illinois, looking at two side-by-side fire escapes with cantilevers. The main thing we're looking for is fire escape been painted every 3 years. This one seems to be. Structurally, have they changed any bolts? And if you look at this fire escape from here, you can see that there's still original square head bolts on the staircase. Some evidence that here and there they've changed a bolt or two on the staircases, but nothing as far as a major rebolting. Looking at all the supports, you're looking for evidence that they've been reinforced or changed out. They're still original square heads. And on the rail posts, you're looking for change outs on the posts. And again, all original square heads. So they've been keeping it painted, but structurally they have been touching the fire escape. Now looking at the cement, looks like they've been working on the cement, but they've got a lot of cement patches here, and we got rusty dragon tears coming down. They call them dragon's teeth, or they call them rusty tears. The other thing that's also a concern is that the cantilevers are all chained back improperly to one corner of the staircase where it begins. And that one over there is actually chained back to the stringer itself. That's illegal. These fire escapes are made to drop 2 to 3 feet per second, hit the ground, and stay down. These are all counterbalanced backwards so that when the people release and get off of these things, they actually kick right back up and go horizontal, which presents problems. Not only for firemen can't get up to them without using a pike pole, but they also hit there's a lot of impact every time they go horizontal on the connections. We've got some stringers up above there that is bent and showing a big belly in it. So between cement issues, original hardware still left on this fire escape, all the stringer connections are still original square head bolts. Some evidence of rebolting on that side, as you can see some shiny bolts there, but on the other side not so. So they've been painting, and this is a pretty big fire escape, but the fire escape is not structurally been repaired correctly. A lot of times the inspectors don't catch these things. The structural engineers or the architects don't catch these things, as well as the building inspectors. Sometimes, when they come here, they don't see that the fire escape on a 50 to 75-year-old fire escape, there's a couple of standard things. You want, at least in 50 to 75 years, all the treads minimally should be cleaned out and rebolted. Minimally in 50 to 75 years. That's a refurbishment once in a 50 to 75-year life. Then you have rail posts and support posts. They should be reinforced or rebolted, whatever's faster, whatever's cheaper. And because of all the intrusion of water into the wall, all these connections need to be verified into the wall. It's an unknown, or they need to be duplicated. Keep the original, and right next to the original, put an epoxy bolt 8 to 12 inches deep into the wall. So these are some of the recommendations. These are some of the standards in fire escape awareness and Fire Escape Academy that we teach to the vendors, to the inspectors. If you have any questions, give us a call here at 800-649-3333 on this or any other video that you've seen. 800-649-3333, Fire Escape Academy, Inspector Meneses.